This is running past the Y. You'll be able to see it. Not sure if I'm going to limit the audio. Well, I'll keep talking a little bit. Just thought I would record this because I don't think a lot of runners / hikers have recorded these trails. So, or even know what the trails are going to be like. So I'll try to keep it as steady as possible. If I can, it's okay. Just trying to keep my breath. Catch my breath, not keep my breath. Well, that too, but yeah. Anyway. Let's see. So I'm just like running / hiking up the Y and passing some people. And I'm sure I passed a lot of people that gave me some weird looks like, why are you running uphill? Like, well, why are you walking downhill? Because that will ruin your body more, I think, personally. I mean, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger, or stranger in this case. I'm a little bit of both. So, says it's recording, the red button's on. I just don't know how much footage I can hold on to the small SD disc. It's on a GoPro, by the way, so. I'm just trying to stabilize the camera on my chest because I have it initially angled to look at the ground, and I don't want you guys to just look at the ground and say, oh, look, there's some bugs in the ground, or look at all that rock. I want you to see the scenery as well. So maybe my next paycheck I'll invest in getting a remote control button where I can not only record but also take pictures, because I know GoPros can take pictures as well, especially mine can. I just need to buy the rig that'll be attached to me so I can press the button while I'm running. I'm like, oh, that's a nice pic, and I'll take a picture of it. Hopefully it's not blurry. I'll stop eventually, but like, I just think that would be nice to have on hikes like this, so that I can, oh, it's beautiful. So I don't have to, I just ran through a spider web. You didn't see that coming. But yeah, so yeah, the reason I was gonna get that is so I didn't have to whip out my phone every time I wanted to take a picture. I could just have the GoPro that takes pictures on me, press the button, and snap. There's a beautiful scenery. It'll be like a dual function too for when like if I want to get into the film industry, I can create some B-roll of nature or something like that, or just take pictures of things that nobody has ever seen because they couldn't go as far as I could go on hikes. Not saying I can go far, but I want to be able to capture it. And there's some people up here, so I'm probably going to talk less, or just not talk at all when I come by. So, fair warning. We'll keep recording though. Sorry. sun's starting to come out. Sorry, had an itch. Last time I was on this trail, there was a snake. It looked dead, but I didn't want to chance it because it was when I first saw it, it was like a yellow snake with red diamond-like patterns on it. It didn't have like, what are they called? The hood or frills that cobras have. So it's just a regular snake, but I didn't know if it was poisonous or not. But my brother made a joke about it, like saying, if it's yellow, you're a dead fellow. So I was like, oh, okay. So I later found out that, looking up on the internet what snake it was, and the reason I thought it was dead was because it wasn't slithering. It was like in a straight line. It almost looked like it was trying to pass as a log. So, there. And so if it was dead, it wasn't moving at all. And I came to think that it was just a gopher snake, and they were harmless. So I would have been okay, but if it was dead, I didn't want to stay there long to find out what killed it. So I left. So that was my reasoning. So I was thinking, that's a dead snake. Oh, it's probably harmless. But wait, if it's dead, what was big enough to kill it? So didn't want to risk my life to see if it was like a cougar or something, because they are around these parts. Thankfully I haven't seen them, nor want to. And I wouldn't know what to do when I see them. Look at that. It's beautiful. Keep going. Probably record this on YouTube or something. And here's a rock. Lots of people go by. So I'm going to keep my distance. 6 feet, of course. It's okay to have a little humor now and then, right? I'm not going to go any further. I'm not afraid of heights. I'm just afraid of slipping to my death. It's beautiful, isn't it? All right, moving on. Let's see what time it is. 8:38. I've been hiking up here for almost 30 minutes. But I was recording this afterwards because I wanted to record stuff when I passed the Y, because I didn't want to see a lot of people. Saw some people, but not too much. Whew. All right. Wow, spiderweb. Okay. I'm recording for like close to 10 minutes now. Shoot. Oh well. I'm listening to Spotify right now, and it has that ad asking if I want to stop the music and listen. Like if I tap now. I've got too much equipment on me to take it off and get my phone out. Oh well. I'll listen to the ad, Spotify. You're welcome. Okay. Some people talk less. They heard me. Okay. Oh, you're good. Sorry. Sorry. Just doing a run / hike and recording it. Oh, good. The Spotify ads are gone. I also want to see if I can make a record of like how high I can go when I lose music from Spotify.